Take a slow, gentle breath in and release it softly. Again, inhale calmly and exhale fully. Allow your body to relax. Allow your breathing to slow. Allow your awareness to turn inward. The past does not need to be carried forward. To be honored. Release allows life to move again. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a calm, receptive state, where old weight softens, memory loosens its grip, and freedom becomes possible. Let's begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. The body softens. 8. Tension releases. 7. Thoughts quiet. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Halfway now, calm and supported. 4. The body feels safe. 3. The nervous system settles. 2. A sense of readiness forms. 1. You enter gentle inner stillness. In this calm awareness, bring to mind something from the past that still feels heavy. You do not relive it. You do not analyze it. You simply acknowledge that it has been carried. Recognition allows release. Repeat inwardly. I acknowledge what I have carried. I do not deny my experience. Awareness creates space. Now notice something important. Your experiences are part of your story, but they are not who you are. You remain whole beneath memory. The past lives behind you, not within your core. So repeat softly. My past does not define me. I am more than what has happened. I remain intact. Now imagine the emotional weight attached to that memory. Not the memory itself, only the charge. With each exhale, that weight softens. The grip loosens and energy returns. Repeat inwardly. I release emotional weight. The charge dissolves. I am free to move forward. Now notice what remains. Understanding, perspective, strength. The lesson stays. The burden leaves. You keep what serves you. You release what drains you. Repeat slowly. I keep the wisdom. I release the burden. The past teaches, not traps me. Now bring attention fully into the present moment. The breath, the body, the here and now. Life is happening now, and you are here for it. Repeat gently. I return to the present. Now is where I live. I am free to engage. Now imagine yourself moving forward, lighter, clearer, unburdened. You feel space inside, room for possibility. Release creates momentum, so repeat inwardly. I move forward freely. The past no longer holds me. My future is open. Now allow these truths to settle deeply. I can honor the past without carrying it. Release is safe and healing. I choose freedom. These beliefs become familiar, gentle, supportive. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, light, present, and free. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. Balanced and calm. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel lighter. 8. Your eyes feel clear. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, present, released, moving forward without the past weighing you down.